All right, so I'm about to complete the aseptic lab. You'll notice that I'm wearing my full PPE, gloves, apron, and goggles. In my workspace, over to this corner, I have a little bit of my 10% bleach cleaning solution mixed with water, just in case. I have a tool disposal that I will put my inoculating loops in that is isopropyl alcohol. And then in this container, I have my sample disposal. So when I'm done with using vials, things will go in there. I also have a paper towel just to clean things up. In my workspace, by the way, all of this I have cleaned using the aseptic technique. I wiped it down with the 10% bleach solution, let it dry for about 2.5 minutes, and then followed it up with a soap and water rinse. So it's nice and clean. So this is my aseptic area. Over here I have my test tubes in the rack. I have my nutrient broth here. I have my tryptic soy broth here, and then I have my tryptic soy agar here. I've appropriately labeled them and dated them using my grease pencil prior to starting this. So those are there. I have a agar petri dish here, again appropriately labeled on the back. This is the top. And I'm going to leave it right side up so that I can ease my transition when I put a sample in there. I have my Micrococcus luteus, and this will be the microorganism I will be culturing. And then I have my candle. And then off to the side, I have a pipette still in the packaging to maintain that aseptic sterile zone. And then I also have my inoculating loops, again, in their packaging, and I'll carefully get those in a second. And then I also have a lighter that I previously disinfected with my bleach solution. So I'm going to tilt the screen down a little bit, so that way you can really visualize what I'm doing here. So these will be on this side. Good there. All right. So first,